Hello, my name is Val Hetrick. Welcome to the fourth edition of the More series presented by Fiberlink. Today we will learn how Fiberlink's MaaS360 Healthcare IT Compliance Service can help you meet the requirements of EPHI and avoid costly disclosure penalties imposed by the HITECH Act for your mobile devices. In our webinar today, we will review the various electronic health mandates and requirements facing the healthcare industry, as well as the challenges associated in meeting HITECH compliance. We will then discuss how the MaaS360 Healthcare IT Compliance Service can help the healthcare industry meet and report on these requirements and provide a demo of the solution. Let's first review the mandates and requirements. Here are some of the key points regarding the electronic health mandate and requirements. The stimulus, or ARRA, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, allocated $19 billion for the implementation of electronic health and medical records. President Obama signed the HITECH Act as part of the overall stimulus, and the subtitle was added to HIPAA to increase the disclosure requirements and penalties for organizations that compromise the privacy of personal health information. The HITECH Act mandates breach notification for stored health information that is not encrypted or otherwise made indecipherable. It has also increased penalties for violations, as well as a hit on your reputation and notification cost. To further demonstrate these mandates, the Department of Health and Human Services has stated that encryption and destruction is the only acceptable solution. One of the challenges in meeting HITECH compliance is implementing a data encryption solution. Deploying data encryption solutions to mobile devices proves hard to provision and even harder to report on reliably. IT departments are also looking to do more with less these days, so there are a number of identified IT gaps and seeds in the healthcare industry, as outlined in our Forrester white paper. In 2009, 31% of healthcare-oriented businesses had some form of data loss. 63% rank understanding risk and vulnerabilities as the top challenge with mobile devices. The number one sought-after feature is reporting on data encryption status and across multiple vendors. Another study shows the top 3 pain points of the healthcare industry. These are preventing data loss, implementing laptop configuration changes, such as pushing patches to users off the LAN, and reporting to proactively manage the devices. These pain points correlate directly with the reports used to track and monitor mobile devices. Of existing solutions, the following shortcomings were highlighted. 78% view data reports regularly, but 54% are not satisfied with the reporting. 61% said they would strongly consider a SaaS solution in the scenario where 5% of their mobile devices were found to be out of compliance. Out of compliance meaning the encryption product not being installed or encryption not being completed on the machine. The MaaS360 Healthcare IT Compliance Service is a hosted service that can help healthcare companies in the following ways. Secure EPHI and comply with the HITECH Act for stimulus-funded EPHI initiatives, help satisfy auditors and internal reporting requirements, and reduce the risk of managing mobile computers in the cloud. Some of the key features include a HIPAA compliance watch list that allows you to quickly identify mobile device compliance across your organization, situational status and reporting on a wide variety of data encryption products. You can easily see unencrypted or partially encrypted devices. Status of OS patches and AV signature file updates with the option for remediation in the cloud. Policy self-service to restrict devices from your network if they are out of compliance. And identification of users connecting to unencrypted wireless connections or not using your VPN. On the main login page of the Healthcare IT Compliance Service, there are 3 sections. The My HIPAA Compliance Watch List shows a quick overview of devices that are out of compliance. This is also sent to your inbox once a week. The Healthcare IT Compliance Suite highlights the reporting that is available and the Support Center. We will now take a look at some of the primary reporting components. First, we will look at the data encryption reporting. You will see that there are 2 data encryption graphs. The one on the left shows devices by encryption status, to show the overall state of the encryption deployment. The graph on the right shows the various vendors that are deployed in your environment. The detailed report below provides additional information about the device, including the version, the install date, the encryption status, and the encrypted drives. Our endpoint security reporting shows information on antivirus and firewall applications deployed in your environment. The two graphs you are viewing now show devices by antivirus definition age and devices by personal firewall version. Again, the detailed reports allow you to drill into additional information about the application vendor and name, as well as the version, definition date, and definition age. For a live demo, please visit healthcare.maas360.com. Here you can download the healthcare IT compliance software to collect data in your own environment. Thank you.